What the fuck was that? What is up, everybody? Welcome back. So today I got a little unboxing, gonna jump right into it. I haven't put out a video in a little long time. There's been a lot of new subscribers, so shout out to every single one of you. Hell yeah. Guess you guys are along for a sick ride. I'm about to go crazy with this car. I'm just kind of trying to figure out what I want to do, make some major upgrades to this car. So in my last video, I did take it around the block. I needed more fuel. So thanks to TunerThings, he got me out some injectors. They're LS truck engine injectors, decapped. He said they flow around 800 cc's. I also have a 340 liter per hour Chemso fuel pump, and I got some top hats to install the injectors. So that should go on nicely. That's what I'm gonna be working on now. It's snowy out, so there's not much else I can do out. Anyway, let's get to unboxing these goodies. Alrighty, so let's get into it. We got, I'll go with the box first. It's a Chemso fuel pump. So, nice and neatly packed in here. We have a couple filters, power. Okay, so I'm gonna have to solder this. Oh, a butt connected, I guess. Cool. Then we got the fuel pump here. Heavy as fuck. Very heavy. Chemso. So, all right, that'll do. Nice. All right. So I'm gonna need some O-rings. Cool. Thank you, Hunter from TunerThings. Yep, these should do just fine. So we got those. That was like $100 shipped. Got here in a couple days, so that was pretty awesome. And then these, he told me to order these little caps to go on the injectors. I do believe those go on the top. That goes in there. Yup. So this guy right here, just gonna snugly fit up in there with that. Boom, just like that. And then that goes into the fuel rail right here. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get to work. I have to pull the back seat out to get to the fuel pump. And there's a million videos on that on the internet. So I'm probably not gonna do that on camera. But I'm gonna get some progress done and check back in with you guys in a little bit. So I got the injector harness, I got the new plugs all soldered up and connected. I need to run out and get an O-ring kit for these injectors. They're just not gonna seal right this way. So it's snowing, so I'm not gonna do that today. I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm going to attempt to start to get the fuel pump out and see what's involved in that. So I'm gonna get the back seat pulled out and get to that. I'm just gonna leave this as is for now. Alrighty, y'all. So I got the fuel pump out here. It's kind of a bitch to get out, but the filter looks really clean. Yeah, doesn't look like there's any shit in it, so it's probably just recently replaced. So anyway, I'm going to attempt to get it off and get the new one put in. Alrighty, there we go. So here we have the stock fuel pump system. You just disconnect the power here. Scooch this guy down, and then just pop it out of the bracket. So you just kind of want to do it in the reverse to get it back on. The cool thing is with this shitty eBay pump, which isn't so shitty, I don't have to do any wiring. It just bolts right up. So it just should pop right in there like such. Boom. You want to verify, it does say which one's positive and negative, and you can just verify this one's going to be the ground, the negative. So yeah, let's just get back to reassembling this now. And yeah, you just go in reverse order basically. You just put the filter on next, then you got to snap it back in. Probably going to zip tie it all in there, and then just throw it back in the car. Call it good. I got the injectors all in there, seated in the fuel rail as they're going to be. And then down here you can see we just got the stock O-ring fucking things in there. However, this bolt was touched too long, so grabbed the old 14 and gave her a twisty-do. And I'm very happy that this didn't break or get stuck or anything like that. Boom, just like that. Look how clean and pretty that is in there. That's nice as fuck. So I have to go and find a bolt that's gonna work in there. Be just a touch shorter than that. So I'm gonna get the other one out now and head to Lowe's. As you can see right there, I've got the fuel rail bolted in. Got some, if anybody's interested, M8 125 70s. Yeah, it was just barely long enough. It's just barely in there. Got the fuel rail bolted back on. I'm just gonna start throwing shit back together and get some pressure in the system to see what's up. I haven't adjusted the tune at all. I'm like just looking to see if it's spraying fuel anywhere. All right, so awesome. Step one was good. Oh. Fuel pump works. Just make sure nothing's leaking out yet. Nothing yet. Give it the old 1-2 turkey-loo. What the fuck was that? Oh, that was one of the injectors falling down. No leaks. No leaks yet. 600 cc's extra, so not surprising she doesn't want to start. Shit. Smoking. Super rich. No leak. Good shit. So I can continue with my tune. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much all I have for you today. I got my 100 tune injectors installed. I got my Demco eBay bullshit fuel pump installed, and I got the car fired back up. So yeah, again, once again, shout out to all my new subscribers. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay one, y'all. Peace.